What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is Rusty Garage, and today I get a trailer hitch on the back of my truck that rusted out, and so the receiver won't take the shaft in the ball. That didn't sound right. So we got to figure out a way to clean that off, take it down, clean it off, so we can insert the shaft and ball so I can tow around my trailer. So let's get after it. You can see how rusty it is. It's corroded. I've already scraped it out. Couldn't scrape out enough to get the shaft in there. This is the unit we're going to be putting on. 2-inch tube, 2-inch tow ball, and there's the lock pin there. This is the assortment of tools that we're probably going to need. We got the 1/2-inch gear and a bar in case we need, a little leverage. We got the jack. Might have to jack it up. Got the jack stand, the recip saw, just in case things get ugly. Torch, in case we need some heat. And this for cleaning stuff up with the wire brush. Got a little file, you never know. Pair of vice grips. When do you never need vice grips? So they're the tools that we're going to be using. Let's see what we can do. That ain't working. Turn it off. Mistakes have been made. It needs to go back here, not here. Shit. It still won't come off. I've been hitting this thing for like an hour now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Stop filming me! God. Now, how am I gonna do this? Is that moving? What am I doing? Just come off, please! So close. Oh no, I scratched my beautiful truck. Okay, I think we finally got it. There's a hole there now. That's a start. And the pin goes through. So now you know the easiest way to install a trailer ball onto your hitch when it's really rusty and corroded. Just get yourself a mall hammer and then go through a couple hours of paint. Thanks for watching, guys. This was Rusty Garage. Hope to see you next time. Peace.